are many examples of nature, such as all big and small mountains are naturally formed. All kinds of rivers are also naturally formed. All lush green forests are also a gift of nature. And all animals are created by nature. All kinds of fruits that grow on trees are a gift of nature. All kinds of colorful flowers also grow naturally. Lush green grass also grows naturally. All humans, including the elderly and children, are also created by nature. The rainbow that appears after the rain is also natural. This world is also a creation of nature. Rain is also a gift of nature. Thanks for watching.